Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA, a few days ago, it broke to the downside of this ascending wedge. We've been waiting for that. We highlighted here on this chart an ascending wedge, basically a leading diagonal pattern in 5 waves. We could count 5 waves. Diagonals always need to be taken with caution, with a pinch of salt. Just be careful because they are not impulsive, especially if you understand the context. Chart context is always very, very important. We are currently dealing here with a larger triangle pattern, and within the triangle we're dealing with the subwaves. So we're really dealing with corrections within corrections. That is absolutely difficult. Nevertheless, we're tracking the patterns here for you and do our best, right? It just means that within these corrections things can change quickly, but so far it's behaving. We had those 5 waves up. After 5 waves up, you normally expect the pattern to correct, which happened. We had the break out of the trend line to the downside, and the support area, standard Fibonacci support for this B wave, is between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement, so between 25.5 cents and 24.5. Any drop below that level will most likely lead to a direct continuation to the downside, whereas, as I said in previous videos, when we get into this region, we can watch if we see a reaction to these Fib levels. I mean, I'm also highlighting the 38.2 Fib level, but it's just not a very common one. I mean, it is common, but in most cases, and also from a reward to risk point of view, I'd like to see, and for a clarity point of view, to get clarity, I'd like to see price come back to the 50% Fib level, 25.5 cents. The 38.2 Fib level, theoretically also a target for a B wave. Sometimes this is enough for a B wave. That's at 25.9 cents, but essentially we expect it a little lower. At least we have no reaction to that level anyway, so we expect a little lower. I'll take it off again. Now, I'm not telling you this will definitely react here, but it should do if we get an ABC structure here. It's again, diagonal structures, they can always be just simple corrections as well that might lead to a new low. But hey, this is a potential diagonal, so if it forms here, this B wave low, and we can see some kind of a reaction to the Fib support area, then a C wave rally could play out. Now, anybody who waits for a little bit, or who wants to wait for a little bit of clarity, could just simply wait for the first 1-2 setup in the C wave. Okay, so you can always wait for the first 5 wave move up and a 3 wave pullback to get an understanding that indeed the C wave has really started, if you want to trade this. Now, I wouldn't do that, but it's still something that should play out if we find support here. And we will then, as soon as we have a confirmed low in place, we can calculate a target for the C wave. At the moment, the broad target range for the E wave, which is the last wave of the triangle, which consists of an ABC structure, target here is between 30 cents and 33.7 at the moment. But eventually, after this E wave is complete, we expect another low still for ADA, possibly around the 15-cent level. Now, that assumption will change if price can break above 38 cents. This would be a level. If we break above that level, it's this spike that was made back in July, and also we had previous resistance here. That's the level that would reduce the downside pressure, in my opinion, and unlock more bullish price potential. Until then, we're probably range bound here a little bit and swing back and forth in corrections, essentially, or eventually, expected for to make another low. That's my update about ADA. Goes according to script at the moment, so all eyes need to be on that support range down here. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.